Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you around our process details report in resource planning. So first of all, we need to go in resource planning module, click on browse modules, and then after click on resource planning in advanced segment. So once you will come here, please check these are the list of reports available here. So you need to go on process detail. So what exactly does this process detail does? It provides you the info of procurement, the planning of procurement as per the production process. So suppose I have created one of my production process and that is in my pending stage or in my planned stage. So I can very well go ahead and select that particular production process from here, and then after I can go ahead and generate the report. You can select multiple processes as well. You can select the product FGA store, stock store, and then after can generate report. Once you will generate the report, it will provide you a visibility that exactly as per the production process in that finished good, bill of material, how many raw materials are there, and it will provide you the current stock of raw material and how much you need to order. So please check on this particular item, needle valve. Here 6735 is required. Block quantity is this much. Block quantity is that quantity which is blocked for any other production process. That you can very well go ahead and check by selecting the columns. So you can select the columns and can check all the details. After that, in the very last